guys, so this is going to be the first step in installing the Squadra tune. It's going to be reading your ECU and getting the stock file so that you can upload it to the installer, and you'll be able to send that off to Squadra. So don't be concerned if you get any of those lights or codes on. It's just doing its thing, getting everything prepped and ready. Basically, this is the PowerGate 3 module, and it's pretty easy to use. You just use the touchscreen and follow the instructions. This is the first part of it. Okay, so looks like it found the device, and now it's just trying to update it. Once you have it downloaded, it'll be down here on your computer. It also shows the version number, all the forward information that you need for this, and so then it's going to find the updates, install them, and what we're going to be doing is extracting the log and another type of file so that we can send that to Squadra and they can update us back with the final tune, and then we can re-upload it onto this device and then go back to the computer of the car from there. Okay, so once you end up pulling these from your PowerGate, it'll be user and user log, and those are basically your stock files. You send an email to Squadra with your VIN number, and they will get back to you with the tune. Okay, so once you hook up your PowerGate 3 and you start following the instructions, it'll begin writing. During this process, make sure that nothing interrupts the process so that it can communicate with the ECU and fully upload the tune to your car. Now it's asking me to turn it on, which I just did. We have this flashing light. This part's important. So there's going to be an engine light that's flashing, and basically you want to make sure you're up to 4 bars on your engine temperature, and you want to rev 3 times to 6,000 RPMs. It will go away. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up here today. Just want to summarize that this Squadra tune is probably one of the greatest investments that you can put into your Giulia. I mean, it smooths out the ride considerably. I mean, you'll be making 320 horsepower, roughly 360 pound-feet of torque. I mean, probably more depending on your supporting mods and whatnot. But on the base tune, this is, I mean, the best bang for your buck you can get. I mean, it's like $800 plus the PowerGate, and you know, you have something that's honestly really special. You know, I mean, this car now is like, I mean, I think it's funner than my Camaro, you know, honestly, but the Camaro still has, you know, a lot of other advantages. But this car definitely is one of the things that I'm gonna really start to enjoy over time. Got this nice little scenic background with the train here going. I think it definitely complements, you know, wrapping up, you know, this part of the video. But thanks guys for tuning in. If you guys want to check out Alpha Girl, I'll definitely link her stuff below. But she's my fiance, and this is her car, and of course, you know, she's letting me modify it, and basically I get to enjoy it too. So we're doing this together. And there'll be more updated content on Camaro Boys as well if you guys like watching Camaro stuff. So shout out to that as well. And they'll all be in my channel below. So thank you guys so much for your time. See you later.